Chalo, sir. Just a second. Let me just check. Chalo, chalo, chalo. So, everyone, very, 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 very good evening to all of you guys. Right? So, I hope you guys are doing fine. A little bit, so there is a little issue with the internet today. Okay. A small little. I don't think that will affect you guys, but still, just got that out of the way. First things first. How are you, Arghamita? Very very good evening. Very 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 good evening. ठीक है. So again, everyone, welcome to the session. Let me just put it in this format. So I guess audio, video, everything sounds good, right? Everything is good. Chalo sir, let us start with our practice session. So this is the set number 3. This is your set number 3, sir. So we will be starting with this. We will be starting with this, sir. Chalo, all clear. Perfect, perfect. Sir, first question of the day. Acha. So before I go there, chalo, we'll discuss about these things. First question is this one, sir. First question is, sir, this one. Everyone, I'll give you guys a few seconds to solve. So 40 seconds. Chalo, sir, time starts now. Please try this and give me the answer. Please try this and give me the answer. Quickly, quickly. Very quickly, try this and give me answers. Need answers? So today my second screen is not running, so I'm using my phone as my screen. D. Arghamita is saying D. What about others? What about others? 40 seconds ho gaya. 40 seconds is over. Triangle ABC, bisector of BAC intersects BC at D. Okay, sir. Let's see. Let us see, sir. Sir, if I take a triangle like this one. So what is happening? I am taking, sir, the angle bisector of this. Okay. This is what it is. They are saying this angle is equal, sir. This is equal to this. So this is A, B, C. Angle BAC, the bisector of this point BC at D, sir. This point is at D. Right? Now. Kamal has also given D. Pautimang, right? I'm taking your name, pronouncing your name correctly. Chalo. Yes, angle bisector theorem. So that is D, sir. AB equal to given as 10, sir. AB is 10. AC is 14. They are asking what is the ratio of BD and BC. BD and BC. So I'm taking, sir, chalo na, sir. This is X. This is X, sir. I'm taking this one as Y, sir. Okay. So BC will be X plus Y. We will discuss about that. We will definitely see that. Again, all the questions are PYQs. Okay, CGL PYQs only. So if you take this angle, so this is a template question. You should, whenever you see this question, the first thing that should come to your mind is, sir, angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem, sir. Angle bisector theorem. Now, what is that theorem? For those who don't know. So remember, this is your angle bisector. This is your angle bisector. Whatever is to the left, that ratio is equal to whatever to its right, sir. Left means, sir, AB by, sir, this X. 10 divided by, sir, this X. It is equal to whatever to its right. That is, sir, 14 by, sir, this Y. 14 by, sir, Y. So this is 5. This is 7. So I am getting X by Y as how much? 5 by 7. But I need what, sir? I need BD by BC. BD is what, sir? BD was X and BC, sir, X plus Y. I need this ratio. Just put down the values, na. X is 5, sir. Y is 7, sir. Just put down those values, you will get your answer. So that means that it is 5 ratio 5 plus 7 is 12. That is 5 ratio. Options में okay, there is a just understand this. BC they are asking na, there is a printing mistake then. Okay, the question should be DC then it should be DC, sir. In that case na, in that case we don't need to do all this. Then this step will be your answer. In that case this step itself will be your answer, 5 ratio 7. There was a small little printing mistake. And if the question was BD, if the question was BD ratio BC, then your answer would have been, sir, this thing, 5 ratio 12, sir. Perfect, perfect, sir, perfect. Yes, no option, no worries, no worries. There was a little of B and D ka, so whoever made this PPT, now the typist, so he must have confused, must have gotten confused. So this is the second question. Second question, sir. Second question, sir. Again 40 seconds. Everyone take your time. Yes. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Second question, sir. Very simple one. I guess this was from the last to last year's CGL. Most probably. I have intentionally decided not to include the year, like the year of the question. Okay. Shankar has given one answer. Shankar has already given us answer A. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Very good, Shankar. Very good. Very good. Next one. Sir, 3 red balls, 4 green, like marbles. Okay, not balls. 3 marbles are picked at random. So total there are 3 plus 4, 7 marbles. Out of that, I have picked 3. How many ways I can do this, sir? Sir, 7, C, 3, sir. That is how many ways? Now, the probability that 2 are green. Sir, how can I take 2 green? That means I'll take 2 out of these 4. That only means that will be green, sir. 2 will be green if I take those 2 from these 4. That means that is how many times? 4C2. And 1 is red. 1 is red means I have to take this from this 3. 3 red, total 3 red marbles were there. So I need to take 1 from there. That is 3C1. Sir, classical definition of probability is saying desired outcome. Desired outcome is, sir, first I will take 2 greens, 4C2. Now there is a big confusion. Many people have this confusion, sir, whether to put multiplication here or to put addition here. Let me clarify this. Always remember, this is the basic principle of counting. If your work is complete, then only you put plus. Otherwise, you need to put multiplication. Now, if once I've put 4C2 means what, sir? I have taken out 2 green marbles out of 4. Is my work complete? Is my work complete, sir? The answer is no. My work is not complete because this red marble picking is still to be done. I'll put multiplication. Into red marble, how many was, sir? 3C1. Divided by the total thing. That means total is 7C3, sir. That is a classical definition. Let's calculate, sir. Anything NC2 is, sir, 4 into n minus 1. That is 3 by 2, sir. And anything C1 is 3 only, sir. Remember this. NC1 is always n. NC2 is always n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Actually, if you do some calculations, these things come. So we generally recommend you remember if possible. And this is, sir, 7C3, na, sir. 7 into 6 into 5 divided by, sir, 3 into 2. Just the definition, okay? You just break it down in according to definition, you will get this. So let's do this calculation. So 2 2s are this. So ultimately we are getting, I'm just writing 2 into 3 into 3. And this will also go up into 3 into 2. Divided by, sir, 7 into 6 into 5. So 3 into 2, 6 are gone. Nothing, sir. 3 3s are 9. 2s are 18 by 35 we are getting. 18 by 35. Option number 2 is your correct answer, sir. Sargamita, it was a little bit wrong, sir. It was a little wrong, sir. It was 4C2. Yes, Argamita, calculation mein you had made one mistake. Acha, abhi now you have corrected. Now you have corrected it. Perfect, perfect. 18 by 3. Shankar, the same thing. Shankar, brother, please see, this was not correct. This was not correct. Okay. So there was a little issue in the calculation, most probably. Achha, again, just a quick announcement. Understand this. All these PDFs now you will get, including the like from last week's all like as well. PDF, this PDFs, whatever I'm writing, I convert this right after the class. I convert this into a PDF and I upload. Okay. So please go to the app and there you will get YouTube classes ka PDFs. Okay, and you can select the PDFs. You can like kind of filter the PDFs by date and time. So from there you will get the PDF. You can download this for your reference as well. If anyone wants to do that, if anybody wants to do that, please feel free to. Please feel free to. Next question, sir. Next question, sir. Good question. Consumption based questions. 40 seconds time. And this is not your like the regular consumption based. This is a little tricky because expenditure is not constant here. Expenditure is not constant here, so it's a little tricky, sir. Let's see how many of you guys can answer. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Give me answers. Give me answers. Need answers, sir. Ten seconds left. 10 seconds left. Quickly. Any answers? Any answers? Any answers? नहीं हुआ? अच्छा. Let me give you a very optimized way of solving any consumption based questions. Any consumption based questions, you can solve it like this. Very simple, you see. Only thing that you need to remember is that expenditure is always equal to price of that commodity into its consumption, sir. Okay, sir. Meaning how much per kg price is into how much we are using. That is total multiplication is your expenditure. Let's see, sir. Let us see, sir. Sir, initial, I'll calculate, okay? This is given and what will be like those quantities after we have done all our calculations. Sir, price into, sir, consumption. You'll see you will do it in one line is equal to, sir, expenditure. That was our relation. That was our relation, sir. You see. You see now, sir. What about price, sir? Price has increased by 20%. Meaning 20% means 1 by 5. Meaning if my price was, sir, initially 5 rupees, it has increased by 1 rupee. That means the final price is, sir, 6 rupees. 5 increment of 1, total 6. What about, sir? What about, sir, expenditure? Expenditure we can increase by 8% only. 8%. Now, if you're an advanced student, you will say, sir, 4% was 1 by 25. So 8% is 2 by 25. That means, sir, if my expenditure was 25 rupees, then the increment is at 2 rupees. That means now the final expenditure is at 27 rupees. Now, sir, expenditure is price into consumption. So can I write this from line, sir? This line, consumption is equal to, sir, expenditure divided by, sir, price. So वही तो था ना, sir? That is how to calculate. So that means consumption is expenditure divided by, sir, price. 25 divided by 5. Ratio 27 divided by, sir, 6. Sir, this is what we needed. This is 5, sir. This is 3 nines, this is 2. If you multiply, sir, this 2, that is the ratio is 10 ratio 9. Sir. Meaning I was using 10 sugar, 10 kgs Now I'm using 9 kgs. Reduction of sir 1 kg out of initial value of 10 kg. 1 by 10 it means a 10%. 1 by 10 means a 10%. The answer is option number 1. This is the best way of solving any consumption type questions. So again, if you did not know this, definitely you can use it. Definitely you can use it. Raj Kamal, correct brother. Shankar, no, garbar ho gaya. Arghamita, correct. Absolutely correct. Very, very, very good. Very, very good. Now, this is 100% clear. The explanation that I've given, everybody understood. So the income expenditure questions starting from, there are many types of questions where you can use this technique. The partnership also you can solve it like this. Perfect. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. So again, 40 seconds. 40 seconds, sir. Quickly solve this. Quickly solve this, sir. Solve this very, very, very quickly, sir. Let me check मेरा इंटरनेट वापस आया या नहीं. Still not done. चलो सर, चलो सर, चलो सर. Next one, next one. And Shankar, I'm saying do not worry about accuracy वगैरह. If you are applying yourself, if you are getting the answers, you are trying your best. That is what only matters. Rest, everything will follow. Sir, I've given you 50 seconds. Still no answers. Chalo, let us solve. A man brought 3 articles for 6,000 rupees each. He sold the articles respectively at 15%, 12%, 15%. Today, sir. Sir, this means, please understand. Let me show you guys this. 3 articles for this much each. Right, sir? 3 articles meaning CP of all 3 articles are sir same. Now, that means this first 15% profit, this is on 6,000. 12% profit, this is on same value. 15% loss, this is also on the same value. So in these questions, please understand all the values, all these profit loss, whatever is on this 6,000. So overall, if they are asking total percentage profit or loss, it's a 10-second question, sir. It is average. Oh, you just take the average of all 3. Because isme itna, usme utna, usme utna. So the answer to your question will be plus 15, profit means plus 12, and loss means sir minus. Sir, by sir 3. This is your understanding. Sorry, gone. Sorry. This is 4%, sir. Plus aaya to profit. It is plus now, that means 4% profit. Option number 1 is your correct answer, sir. Do not do anything if you see CP is constant, sir. If CP, Anik is saying lag kar raha hai. Anik, no, it should not be lagging. Brother, it should not be lagging. There is absolutely 0% of frame drops. Just check your connection, brother. Just check your connection once. I don't think this should happen. Now, if they want to make this simple question difficult, now what they will do, bought ke jagah they will sold kar dega, sir. They will say, sir, sold instead of bought. Meaning these are all SPs. Then the question becomes a little tricky. But again, if you see it is written so like bought, that means that CPs are equal. That means every profit or loss always acts on this CP. So instead of like figuring out the profits or the loss and then again calculating, I am taking the whole average. This is nothing but your average. Everybody, please understand this technique very, very well, sir. Okay? Moving on, sir. Next question. Another profit loss question. 40 seconds, sir. 40 seconds, sir. 40 seconds. अच्छा, technique. I told you, all the questions I take generally has some hidden agenda behind it. I want to discuss certain things. Authentic, very good evening, brother. Very good evening. अरे भाई मैं आपका नाम भूल जाता हूँ. Authentic, please tell me your name ना. Please tell me your name today. In the beginning only. In the beginning only. I completely get don't forget your name every day. आप रोज बताते हो, मैं रोज भूलता हूँ. उपासक, yes. चलो. This one, sir. This is, if you have learned allegations properly, you will say this is a template question of allegations, sir. And that is the best way to solve this. So it sells a table at this profit of 8% and the other one at 16%. But sir, overall profit to nahi diya hai. What will be the middle? Don't worry, sir. I know total profit, I know total CP, right? I know total profit, total CP. I can calculate the profit. The profit actually is, sir, 540 rupees out of CP के ऊपर calculate होता है. This always gets calculated on CP, sir. इतना गंदा वैल्यू क्या ही करे. 3 से तो जाएगा. 3 18 at this ना, and this is 13. चलो sir, 180 divided by 13%. This is your net profit. Now allegation is saying one thing, that is table at a profit of 8% and sir chair at a profit of, sir, how much? 16%. And the overall profit that we got is 180 by 13%. Use allegation, sir. Use your allegation, sir. So this is how much? 180 into, like, this is difference करेंगे तो 13 into 8 ना. 1 second. 13 into 8 कट लेन से आ जाएगा 104, and this is 76 by 13 I'm getting. Right, sir. And if I do this, this is 16 into 13. 16 into 13 means, sir, 169 into 39. Plus, that is 18. And this is, sir, 420. 208. That means, sir, it is coming out to be, sir, 28 by 13, sir. 13 cancels. I've not made any mistake, na? I've not made any mistake. Just let me check once. Just let me check once. 904. 76 ये भी सही है. And this is also 19, 18. So this is 208. 208 minus 180 means 28. No, I'm not made any mistakes, sir. Chalo, sir. ठीक. So this is 14 and this is 38. I'm quite sure there is something wrong with the values. 7, yes, 7 हो गया. This is 19, okay. 7:19. चलो, no, it might be right as well. 7:19, meaning table का value. Table is 7 parts. Chair will be 19 parts. Total I know 39. Total I know 26. No, it's okay. It's okay. The values are not wrong. Values are not wrong, sir. No, values are not wrong. Okay. The calculation was a little tricky. Okay. Again, another way, always remember, if you do not want to calculate like this, na, you can multiply anything here. So over here, you can multiply 13 here, 13 here, 13 here. Actually, you have to do the same thing. Okay? But some might find that to be a little bit easier. You can, if you want, please do that. No worries. Now, total is given, sir. Total is, sir, here 26 parts. 26 parts is total, sir. That is given as 3900 rupees. They are asking what? difference between the prices of the chair. Meaning, sir, difference means, sir, this, that is a 12 parts ka value. They're asking us the value of 12 parts. That will be how much, sir? 3900 divided by 26 into, sir, 12. So 2, this is 13, this is 6. 13 3s are this, 300. So this is 1800 rupees is your answer, sir. 1800 rupees. Option number 2 is your answer, sir. It was a little different, little big, like you can say, lengthy question because of the calculation, nothing else. Just because of the calculation. राजकमल यस, राजकमल यस, अनीक थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया था. यस यस यस, सही है. Shapna, yes, 18,000 is most definitely your correct answer. Very, very, very good. Very good, sir. Next one. Sir, this is a good question, sir. Again, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. This should not take you more than 30 seconds. This is a much easier question, sir. This is a much easier question, sir. Shomo, yes, you can, brother. You can. We are coming up with 3 different batches, like Shomo, for like to answer your question. Most of the foundation batches are no, sir. It's over, but still, if you want, like I'll suggest Shomo. The difference is very less. Na, pay for one elite subscription. You will get access to this, and there are 3-4 batches, crash course, the practice course, everything we are planning to bring on in the, like from the next month. So you will have access. Okay, because the batch price and that price is like it's I guess maximum 100-200 rupees the difference. Perfect. Shomo, you can do that if you want. Chalo, sir, chalo. So now, what is the difference between the interest 50,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum, half yearly and yearly? Arey sir, ये तो बहुत simple question. This is actually a very, very, very simple question. Why, sir? Please understand this. Please understand, sir. If I get yearly compounding for 1 year, sir. So that means if we are talking about one compounding or 1 year, it does not matter whether it's a simple interest or compound interest. Sir, that means it will be 8% only, sir. Right? Everyone, this will be 8% only, sir. Whereas if we are talking about half yearly, 8% is rate for per year. Half of the year, the rate of interest will be 4%. But how many times will I get the interest? For 2 times. Half after 6 months once, after the next 6 months once. Total 2 times. That means 2 years. That means 2 times compounding means 4. So I can use AB theorem. 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 4 by 100. That means this is this percentage. They are saying the difference between these two is, they are asking this. So difference in percentage will be what, sir? 8%, 8% gone. So ultimately this is the percentage difference, 16 by 100 meaning, sir, 16 by 100% or 0.16%, whatever you call it. So this percentage difference of what? Of always your principal, sir. Interest always gets calculated on principal. So of 50,000, sir. That means 16 by 100 for percentage another 100, sir, into, sir, 50,000. 5 4 zeros. 1020, 1020. Your answer is 80. 5 16s are 80. So answer is option number 1, 80 rupees. Option number 1, 80 rupees is your correct answer. Yes. Doing arithmetic, yes, Upasak, that works, brother. But please understand, you need to have you need to develop that problem solving skills. Okay, so for that, na, please follow any teacher. That might be any teacher. Okay, but again, the step by step you need to go. That is very, very important. And practice for the best source for SSC practice is PYQs. Because SSC actually releases those TCS questions ना, all the books you see. So वही से questions उठाते हैं ना. अच्छा, एंड वाला क्वेश्चन MDH concept sir. Good question. 40 seconds I'm giving. 40 seconds I'm giving sir. Everybody. Yes, Sapna, absolutely perfect. Pautingmang, absolutely perfect. Argamita, perfect. Shomo, perfect. The foundation batches are still going on. I'm not saying it's over, but we are not launching any other new foundation batches where you can join from the beginning. Okay, foundation batches I've just next tomorrow I'll complete algebra. So, and then there are certain things left. Actually, in my foundation batches, I take na thoda zyada classes. Only quant ka I take 170 around classes. Because foundation hai, so I have to start from the beginning. I have to go to the tier 2 level. Na. So abhi we don't have time to launch any other foundation batch. वो time ही नहीं बचा. Right? But again, if you're starting still, 3 men and 5, let me say one thing. In these questions, the other variant is OR. This is much easier. I thought that today I'll take OR question, next day I'll do AND question. But again, then I thought, no, let's do AND only. Or if this is OR is there, it will be much easier. AND gives you a little bit trouble. Please understand, this is MDH type questions. Always remember, here you need to do total work is equal to total work. TW1 is equal to TW2. Total work must be constant, must be the same, sir. So total work, sir, 3 men, I'm taking 3M. Every man is M, efficiency. Plus 4 women efficiency, sir, 4W. And means I've given plus. And means that I've given plus. That means this much work they are doing. 3 men and 4 women, they are doing in 1 day, sir. How many days they are working? Can do the work in 7 days. That means 7 days. So into 7 is your total work, sir. This is in 1 day into 7 days. That is total work, sir. Second situation, 2 men and 1 woman. 2 men, 2M plus 1 woman, meaning only W, sir. 1W. Can do this in 14 days. That means into their time 14. Because 4W minus 2W, it is 4M minus 3M is M. Sir, M by W is 2 by 1. And also you can do one thing, sir. What I generally say, sir, do one thing. Take this. I'm thinking M does 2 units. Every man does 2 units every day. Every woman does 1 unit every day. One unit. Now, 7 women will complete the work. Sir, to complete the work, I need total work. What is total work, sir? Sir, total work ka hi to equation hai. So either you take this or you take this. Both are total works only. I'm taking this one, sir. M is 2, W is 1. M 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 into 1, that is 10. 10 into 7 days, sir. 7. This is total work. Now, efficiency, time is total work by efficiency. 7 women. Every woman efficiency is 1. 7 women efficiency is, sir, 7. So that is your answer, 10 days, sir. 10 days will be the answer. Option number 3, sir. I guess this question was asked in 2023 CGL tier 2. Most probably, sir. Everyone clear, sir? वो देखो फिर से ये बंद हो गया लाइव चैट. Yes, 10 is the right answer. Arghamita, Upasak, Sapna, Pautimang, perfect. Thank you, Upasak. No worries, brother. These are all very common techniques. Nothing that I'm doing very innovatively. Right? These are all very common techniques. Now, again, you need to understand. You see, SSC, you need shortcuts, but you need conceptual shortcuts. You cannot say, I'll only do formulas. Sir, you divide this by that. No, please understand why you are dividing. Whatever you are doing, try to understand why you are doing that thing. Why not multiply? Why divide in that case? Sir, boat and stream, chalo sir. Boat and stream, it takes a little bit of time. Boat and stream questions generally takes a little time to solve. Please do this. 40 seconds. 40 seconds, sir. Yes, अरे व्लादिमीर पुतिन आ गया भाई. आपका नाम बताओ भाई. If please tell me your name, brother. I'll give you guys some. अरे लग रहा है मेरा इंटरनेट वापस आ गया. I'm kind of running in my secondary connection. Primary connection was not working. Now it's. Yes, now it's connected. Just give me 1 second. My voice can fluster for just a second, okay? I'm just changing my connection. Now, it should be clear to everyone. Right? It should be bit 2. Are. Your name is very, very close to my pet name. My pet name is very, very close to yours. Now, let me just turn on the second screen. I guess you guys can hear me, na? Perfect. Just a second. Batch. Shamo works, brother. Works. Perfect. Works. But again, please take up a practice batch as well. Like once your syllabus is over, from anywhere. Yes, Vladimir, like Bittu, I'm. That is why I'm told you, no. I'm also. I live very close to airport. Actually, I live in Kolkata only. My pet name is very close to yours. That is why I told, because you are also Bengali. Chalo. Let's do this, sir. Let's do this, sir. 29/5. Chalo. Sir, a man rows to a place situated 100 kilometers away and comes back in 10 hours. But the actual thing is given next. He can row 12 kilometers downstream or 8 kilometers upstream in the same time. Time is same, sir. Speed. So 12 kilometers downstream means time will be set distance by speed. We call downstream as d. The downstream speed. This is equal to, why? Because same time. Time is equal. 8 kilometers upstream. Distance by speed, sir. 4 2s are this, 4 3s are this. D by U. It is equal to what, sir? 3 divided by 2, sir. 3 divided by 2, sir. Now. Sir, I'm taking 3K, 2K. Downstream speed, upstream speed. I cannot take the normal 3 and 2 because this is not a ratio. I need to make an equation. That is what we need in case of boat and stream questions. 100 kilometers away. That means 100 kilometers he goes in downstream. By, sir, distance by, sir, 3K. Speed, downstream speed. Plus, now he needs to return 100 kilometers distance by, sir, 2K. Time equation, the total time has been given as 10 hours. Calculate, sir. कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसका. 100 को we can do this much. 10 I'm taking common, okay? Because we have to calculate, so let's keep everything. I'm not cancelling this either. So 1 by 3K, 1 by 2K, that means it will be 6K, sir. And it will be, sir, 2 and 3, 5, na? It is 1, sir. So that means K is equal to 6 by 5 into 1 by 10. I'm right doing it? No. Sorry. k तो उधर ही चला जाएगा ना. K will be sir 10 into 5 by 6 sir. So this is 3, this is 2 sir. क्या मैं पागल 5 25 by 3 sir. The value of k. Now what they're asking? What they're asking? Speed of the stream. That means asking 2k का values. अच्छा 2k का value no. Speed of the stream is sir y. That is d minus u by 2 sir. That means 3k minus 2k, that is k by 2 sir. K I know. So the answer will be sir 25 by 3 into 2 sir 6. 25 by 6. है क्या ऑप्शन में? ऑप्शन नंबर 4 सर. ऑप्शन नंबर सर 4. ऑप्शन नंबर सर 4. Upashak, yeah. So you are from Asansol, like if I remember correctly, right? Arghamita, Pautimang, Rajkamal, Bittu, everyone, correct. Now I'm telling you, most of the time these boat and stream questions will be a little time taking, and you should be ready to give it the time it deserves or it requires. Otherwise, there is a strong chance you might end up making a mistake. So again, please give it that time. Sir, iska kya sir? Sorry. Trigonometry question sir. And again, if you're liking the session, please do hit the like as well, okay? That gives the session a little bit more reach. That's all. Sir, sec and tan deke baitha hai sir. Sec theta and tan theta is given sir. Sir, how to do this? Acha, you are from Howrah, okay. You are from Rana Ghat, okay. So I've just interviewed a candidate from your like very close to your place actually, Rana Ghat, Bittu. Just interviewed a candidate, CGL year 615. He actually came to my house. The interview will be uploaded very soon. It's in Bengali. You guys can hear it. Year 615. He is from Rana Ghat. This year's. Okay. Arghamita has given answer. Sir, please understand, this is no like nothing. ये दिखने में थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. Always remember, out of the 6 ratios, out of the 6 trigonometrical ratios, if you know anyone, you can figure out the rest 5. So let's try to do that, sir. Let us try to do that one, sir. Sir, sec theta plus tan theta, sir, the best thing, if you see something plus, something minus, the first thing that is coming to my mind is, sir, let's use componendo dividendo. So if I do that, so sec theta plus tan theta plus sec theta minus tan theta, we'll have 2 sec theta. I'm jumping a step, okay? And this will be, sir, 2 tan theta. If you use your componendo dividendo, it is equal to, iska bhi karte sir, this is a calculation thoda karna hai sir. You have to calculate 79 2s are 80 2s are 160 and this is 158 plus sir 51. 150 51 201 209 sir. 209 by 79, so it is plus 79. It is, sir, this thing, sir, 209 minus 79. 2 cancels. Sec theta means, sir, 1 by cos theta. Sin theta means, sir, tan theta means, sir, sin theta by cos theta. Cancels. So it is 1 by sin theta remaining. That is equal to, ye calculate, sir, 280. 280, sir, 280 plus 8, sir, 288. 209 minus 9, 200, 130, sir. So that means 1 by sin theta value is this. Sin theta value is 130 by 288, sir. They're asking sin theta, na? Acha, the answer can be anything here. 144, 74, everything is divisible. Chalo, sir. Sir, 2 se karenge to 144, this is, sir, 65. Acha, I don't think we can do anything. 65 by 144, 65 by 144. Option number 4 is your correct answer, sir. Option number 4 is your correct answer. Bit 2 is, don't worry. Do not worry about those. Do not worry about this. Arghamita, bit 2, Raj Kamal, yes, all your answers are correct. Very, very, very good. Never worry about your पीछे देख के, like nobody can move ahead if you keep looking at the like what happened in the past. Look at what you can do in the future, brothers. What can you do going forward? How can you like clarify those, like whatever was your like, please learn from your mistakes. Whatever mistakes you had made, please try not to repeat those. That's how, this is a life lesson, not only for this, not only for SSC, for everything. Sir, 35, this one, एक second, ये printing mistake है. Just 1 second. From Haryana, Sapna, perfect, perfect. Ruko, just 1 second. Let me check. I am seeing this one should be 65, 99%. रुक जाओ, मैं एक बार देख लेता हूँ. I have sent him the questions. This one. ढूंढ के निकालना. Sec 35 by cosec 55 था. देखो गड़बड़ कर दिया. Say cos 25 sin 65. हाँ, yes, 0, 1, half, 2, 4 options. 0. अरे क्या ही गड़बड़. Sir, whenever you see this type, whenever you see this type, remember one thing. Either you change this or this, not together. Change only one, sir. Again, sir, from here, either this or this. Now, it is not written properly. I'll change this. Sec ko rehne do, sir. Sec 35. Keep it like. Keep it, sir. Cosec 55, cosec and sec, they are actually complementary. So I can write this as sec 90 minus 55, sir. Remember, why I'm thinking like this? Because whenever I'm seeing this, 65 plus 25 total is 90. 55 plus 35 total is 90. That is why I'm thinking about that. That is the reason I'm thinking complementary angle. Sir, minus. This is, again, I'm keeping this 25. You can do the opposite as well. That also works. Sine. Sine ko I'm writing, this is cos 90 minus 65, sir. So if you do this, you will get sec 35 by, sir. एक second, मैंने क्या किया? I have done something wrong, na? I have done something तो wrong. क्या गड़बड़ किया हमने भाई? What have I done wrong? Done wrong? अच्छा ये. अरे यार, sorry. देखो, इधर तो कोसेक था. पागल हो क्या मैं? Cosec 90 minus this is 35 ना. So this will become, वो देखो इधर भी मैंने एक सेम काम करके रखा. This was sine. This is 90 minus not 65. 90 minus 25, sir, right? 65 means 90 minus 25. So sec is there, it will become 90 minus theta will become sec theta, sir. These questions now, all these steps we skip ना, लिखने के टाइम गड़बड़ होता है. Sin this becomes, देखो फिर से, sin becomes a cos 25. Gone. It is 1 minus 1, that is 0, sir. 1 minus 1, 0. Option number, sir. Option number, sir, 1. Right? Yes. 0, 0, 0, 0. So many zeros. The problem actually in these questions, to like whenever you try writing, because you don't write ना, तब जाके गड़बड़ होता है, sir. Next one, sir. Yes. अच्छा. 129 factorial. Number of zeros का question है. Number of zeros का question है, sir. How to do this? How to do this, sir? Very, very simple question. CHSL most probably like from couple of years back. After COVID question, this one. CHSL only. No piracy. Very good. Chalo sir, chalo sir, chalo sir. Sir, if you want to go, the best way, the mathematical way is to go by box functions. Number of zeros, remember it like this. वो देखो, number of zeros means number of tens na, right? For those who don't know, number of zeros means a number of tens. What is the number of tens? Right? That is number of zeros. So number of zeros means number of tens. Now number of tens, 10 means, 10 actually means 2 into 5. Always remember 2 is something that is like iron, abundant. बहुत ज़्यादा है. Gold is this 5, sir. 5 is this gold. 5, because why 2 is abundant? Because every even number at least has a 2 in it as a factor. 2 बहुत ज़्यादा है. 2 we have many, like much more than we need. But 5 is not abundant. 5 only we get at the 5 multiples. So actually what happens na sir, in case of composite numbers, in case of the highest power type questions also, always figure out the number of the highest number of 5s in this case. The highest number of 5s you need in 129 factorial. Of 5s, like where can I get from 5 multiples? So the best mathematical way of figuring that out is, do not mug up anything. 129 divided by 5. Put a mod functions, like box functions. Box function means this function, this is called box function or GINT function, greatest integer function. GINT. Now this, what does it GINT means? GINT means it will only take your integer values. Meaning, sir, if I say 1.329, if I put a box there, na, it will only take out 1, the integer part of it. So I'll just take the integer, nothing else, plus. Now, this is all 5 multiples I'll get. But again, I don't, like again, every 5 multiple, okay. But there are certain 5 multiples which has 2 like 5s in it. Those are called 25 multiples. 25, you see, it has 2 5s. So I need to figure out that 129 by 5 square as well I need to do. Similarly, sir, I need to do 129 by 5 cube for those which has 3 powers. And similarly, I should go on. But you see, the next line I'll write 129 divided by 5 to the power 4. 5, now denominator is greater than the numerator. Niche wala, this denominator is greater. So this value, this fraction will be something 0 point something. Whenever we put box, we will only get 0. So there's no need of running this, like writing this. So till the point where the numerator is greater than the denominator, I'll write that much only. Nothing more, sir. Nothing more, sir. So this is how much, sir? This is how much, sir? 25 plus something. I'll not write. I'll just take the integer part. 25 means, sir, 5 25s are 125 point something. I'll not write. This is 1, sir. The answer is, sir, 31. The answer will be, sir, 31, sir. Option number 1. Yes, 31 is your correct answer. Absolutely. Now, this is the mathematical way. Now, there are multiple ways, the shortcuts, sir. You figured this out, 25, then you divide by again 5, then you divide by again 5 till you are getting the like till 1. Okay? Till you are getting to 1. So there are shortcuts. But again, I just explained the logic behind this. Okay? चलो सर, next one सर. कितना टाइम हुआ? 6-5 और 5 मिनट ले लेते हैं, ठीक है सर. Find the unit digit of this. Again a CHSL question. No, this is from CGL. This is from CGL, not CHSL. Sir, remember one thing over here always. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial, 2. 3 factorial, 3 into 2, sir, 6. 4 factorial, sir, 4 into 6, sir, 24. 5 factorial, sir, 120, sir. And, sir, 6 factorial. It means what? It means, sir, 6 into 5 factorial. Now, this is 120. Now, why we get 120? Na? You see, because 5 multiple meaning 10, I'll get 10s, because 2 to there are many twos. So I'll get 10 means I'll get a 0. Now once I start getting a 0, 6 factorial is 6 into 5 factorial. So that will also involve a 0. 6 times 120, that will also end in 0. 7 factorial, same thing, 720 into something, 7, again a 0. 8 factorial, sir, again a 0. And after, from 5 factorial and onwards, all the factorials ends in 0. All the factorials ends actually in 0. So that means the actual thing, actual unit digit. So whatever, so if I keep on adding from here till unit digit is always 0, sir. Because last digit, all of them has 0 only. So if I add from 5 factorial and onwards, it is all 0, sir. So I just need to check this. 4 plus 6, 0, done. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 plus 0 is 3 only. That is your answer, option number 3. Option number 3. Option number 3. That is most definitely your answer. Very, very, very simple question, right? So this one, sir, this one how to solve? This one, sir, how to solve, sir? कैसे इसको solve करें? Sir, whenever you see this type of question ना, अच्छा एक काम करे, this is a, अच्छा एक काम करो, this is one question I'm giving you guys as homework. ये थोड़ा lengthy, just put the formulas. This is not a difficult question. Otherwise, I'll solve it in the next class because time to hai nahi. I want to solve one more question, but this is not the question. This will eat up 5-6 minutes if I want to explain. ये वाला भी homework ले लो. Yes, this is a good question. This is a good question. Very conceptual, very popular question. Okay. So this one also, please take it up as your homework. And whatever extra questions I have now, actually someone commented to bring a little bit more questions. Vladimir, Bittu, here you cannot do so, brother. Because if you put z equal to 0, na brother, this won't satisfy. मैंने check किया. I have actually checked that. You see, I started, I thought I'll do the question. Then I've checked XYZ is there. So XYZ is given means you cannot use that 0 wala shortcut. Right? You can still do 1, but not 0. That is why I told Kine it will be a lengthy question. Let's do that for the in the next class. Clear, brother? You see, remember, like always learn with that like point of view. Ki if something goes wrong, you have to be able to answer. Clear? Clear, sir? Yes, yes, absolutely. Then formula A plus B plus C. And that is the reason I told na ki bhai thoda gadbad ho gaya. It will be a little lengthy. Nothing else. Not very difficult. Lengthy. So radius of 2 right circular cylinders are in this ratio, sir. Perfect. So radius. Achha, rather. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. Radius. What is the ratio, sir? 3, 2. Ratio of their volumes. Sir, volumes 27. Ratio, sir, 16. Right? Height, I don't know. I'm taking H1 ratio H2. So remember one thing. Remember one thing. This is what, sir? Or H1 is what, sir? This square of this into this. This square of this into this gives you this. Pi, r, pi is constant. Ratio mein pi will cancel. R square, radius square into height gives you volume, sir. Right? So can I simply say H1 will be volume divided by, sir, r square, that is 9, sir. In this case, volume 16 by, sir, r square, sir, that is 4. So the answer will be, sir, 3 ratio 4. The answer will be, sir, 3 ratio 4. This is the proper technique of conceptual technique of solving these type of questions. Solving this type of questions. Yes, yes. नहीं चाहिए. Bittu has deleted the comment. You see, brother, you don't need it. Because always remember कि volume is what, sir? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Meaning, sir, volume is proportional to r square and volume is proportional to h, sir. So you can, because pi to constant, this is, sir, constant. So you do not need to worry about anything here. You just need to worry about this. Perfect, everyone. Everybody clear, sir? So that was our quick little session on this, on our practice session. Again, 15, so like we did a couple of questions less today because like generally I'll explain, and there was like certain questions which were like which is there to be explained. I hope you guys have liked this session, and if you have, please hit that like button. That actually helps giving this particular session a little bit more reach. More students can join, more students can find out about us. That's the thing. So again, thank you so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed. So there are a few more questions. I am packing that into the PDF, so you guys can visit the app and download the PDF from there, along with all the annotations and everything. Whatever I've written, everything will be there, sir. Okay. So again, thank you so much. Arghamita, thank you so much. Upasak, thank you so much. Everybody, thank you so much. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with the NTPC session, and day after tomorrow with the with again this CGL session. Now NTPC CGL, and let me say one thing: types of questions, level of questions are 19-20. Everything is almost same. Okay, so please try to join these sessions. Like 1 hour session, you will get a very good practice. Okay, so everybody, thank you so much. I'll again see you guys tomorrow at the same time, 5 p.m. Till then, please take care and bye bye. Have a very good night. Very good night. Thank you so much.